During installation, bolts throughout the system should be tightened with a torque value of 12 foot-pounds. If a system maintenance review becomes necessary, marking the position of each bolt will provide a helpful visual reference, indicating whether bolts have been loosened over time by seismic or elemental forces. This strategy can be used with any bolted connection in the GridFlex 10 assembly. After tightening a bolt, use a Sharpie marker to draw a diagonal line across the component being attached and the top of the bolt. The line will indicate the final position of the bolt. If the line is broken when revisiting the system, that means that the bolt is moved, which means that the bolt is loosened. Simply retighten the bolt with the correct torque to the correct position to resolve this.